Remote customer service jobs offer plenty of benefits. These positions are ideal for people who dislike the long commute, hovering coworkers, and an irregular schedule. While some of these benefits may seem enticing, they should be considered carefully to ensure that the work is proper for you. These jobs can be stressful but ideal for those who want to work from home. They are a great way to earn an income while working from home. Hello, and welcome to the Marketer DNA YouTube channel. Willie Desjarnet will navigate you through this video. He will discuss customer service representative remote jobs near me. Also, he will provide the link to the site at the bottom of the description.
Before we even get started, I would like you to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Also, let me show you this, guys. Before you go further, I have a lead system where you can acquire a lot of leads. You can triple your leads in a matter of no time. Look at the statistics right here. You can do this in no time. All you have to do is follow the link that I have below, tripleyouremaillist.com. Also, let me let you look at the my Gmail account. Look at all these leads coming in. They come in on a daily basis, and you could join this opportunity absolutely free. Just take a look at the link that I have below in the video. I'll see you inside. Okay, we try to do a research on jobs every single day. We try to find opportunities that are out there every day because we know people are looking for jobs every single day. So today we want to teach you how to look for jobs at remote locally near you in your area. This video is going to be geared towards jobs that's near you. There are remote jobs that's near you, so you won't get far away. If you don't want to work that far away, it's remote. So if you have any problem, it's near you. It's a local deal. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna teach you how to be able to navigate and look for local jobs, jobs that's near you. So we're back again. We're gonna go to Indeed. I've already got this research. I'm in the Hattiesburg Pedal area. So we typed in, when you come to Indeed, you type in remote, and this is going to be the job title today. This is going to be customer service type work today. And you just go remote customer service, and I put Hattiesburg, Mississippi. And what we're going to do, we're going to go through jobs in the Hattiesburg area. Just in case someone sees this video that's in the Hattiesburg area, it is kind of secluded to where it will be a local deal. And when you look at this and you in the United States, you just put your address in here. You put where you located at if you want to do local jobs. And most of these customer service representative, they're pretty much the same regardless of where you at. And now this particular customer service job here is where I live. Now most of your customer service jobs don't pay a lot of money. $9, $10, $11, $13, $14 an hour. So your expense is not as bad. So just take a look at a couple of these customer service jobs. And another thing, most of them are not a lot of experience. Okay, we're looking at this one right here. It is a high school diploma equivalent. And let's just look at what they have. Paid training, health insurance, dental insurance, 401k, flexible spending account, paid time off. So you getting, even though it's a $12 an hour job, you getting some benefits. And then you're at home, so your expense is not as that bad. You know what I'm saying? So it says you can earn up to $14 an hour with bonus based on attendance and performance. If you're in this area here, you can look at this particular job. Yes, full, and then it furthers your education and earn a college degree through Quantum Fund University program. So man, you can get a job like this and work and progress in your education as well. So you can't get no better than that. So, and you can go here and just like I said, you type that in and you can get started. Let's go to another area. And it says this one is temporary remote. I don't know how that goes, temporary remote. If I'm looking for a remote job, I want it to be remote all the time. And it could be temporary because of COVID. So and you can come in here and look at this particular job. And it's called Sykes. It's in the Hattiesburg area. Yeah, and it says you must create an Indeed account if you plan on reaching out for these jobs. Okay, and what I like about this job is, let me see, what do they have anything about how much it pays? I do not see that. You get a chance, you can take a look at it, but it's the benefits sometimes that helps people out. You know, you could be a person that's actually looking at this video and you could be retired, but you want to stay active, you want to keep your mind flowing. You can get a job like this. This if you're computer savvy, you know. So let me always reiterate this. Basically, when you're dealing with online jobs or remote jobs and you have to deal with the PC, that's where the skill sets come in. Somewhere along the line, you have to have some skill sets. And a lot of people that are not in that area can get left behind and they can't get a remote job. So I'm not going in debt in all of these jobs. You can get here and you can actually thumb through it. But this job here does have vision insurance. That's pretty good. So let's go to this next one. It's called remote scheduling specialist. And I want to see if they had, this is a full time, and this one is fully remote. So that is saying it's not temporary. See, this is what I like about these type of jobs. They may not pay it's just high school education. So you don't have to go through all of this, you know, things you got to go through to get jobs like that. Yeah, I'm gonna read this one to you, because when you do research your job, these customer service type jobs, they're gonna be all in the same. Answering incoming calls and assign clinics and operation call center telephony platform. So that's you know, you're gonna be talking. This is not a no phone deal. Following schedule protocols and guidelines, utilizing critical thinking to determine which process to apply to specific situation. Now, I call a support today, and I automatically knew when that technician picked up their phone, they were remote. You can just tell they were at the house. So you hear this more and more, and man, what's nice to just get up and get ready and never walk out the house and never have to get into 25 and 30 below. And I want to see if it had any kind of they don't say how much this is, but it's Merit Health Wesley, and they all over the place. They even have an extension over here in Petal. So let's go to the next one. But I'm just telling you the reason why I provide these opportunities pretty much every day, because that's where it's headed. That's where it's heading. So, but you know what's so beneficial about these jobs? You know, some places don't give you benefits, but they decide to, if they're gonna hire you, they're gonna give you benefits as well. Okay, this one here is $13 an hour, okay? And it's paid training, wellness program, 401k, so it's gotta be some kind of health. Okay, paid time off, 401k matching, employee discount, referral program. Wow, that is really nice. That's salary. That's your whatever per hour plus salary. That's if you're referring people. So and this, I don't know what this is, but yeah, you need to go. This is pretty good. The ability to multitask, this is about what you got to do. At least 18 years old. About the job: handling inbound service call, drive customer service satisfaction through voice chat or email, navigate through multiple systems, ongoing training and skill development. I like jobs like that, because when you think about it, this is $13 an hour job. Some sites already want you equipped. Man, they are at least teaching you. And this is what Sitel Group. This is awesome. I mean, I know it's $13 an hour. Wow. They're providing you training as well. I mean, what more can you get? They providing you training as well. That is pretty good. That is pretty good. And it tells you how to apply. So cool. Now let's go ahead and try to go to one more. And this one here is an insurance customer service representative. So, and they're paying $18.50 now. It's pretty good. Paid training, health insurance, dental insurance, 401k, paid time off, work from home, and vision insurance. It's the whole 9 yards. Whole 9 yards. Teleperformance, yeah, it's over almost 30,000 reviews on this, so that is pretty good. Paid training, $15.50. Competitive wages, $18.50 per hour. Your impact. Our customer service representative are very important part part of our family. You will be the eye and the ears for our team, fielding customers' inquiry and finding innovative way to respond. Working in a collaborative and engaging environment, you will have the chance to interact with people from all walks of life. No 2 days will be the same. I'm gonna just stop there. This looks like this is gonna be a very exciting job. If you're in this area and you have a chance to look at the job like that, you better be motivated. You better be inspired. So that is pretty cool. Pretty cool. So that is pretty, and that's in the Hattiesburg area, the 39401 area. So that is pretty cool. So I'm on a limit. We're gonna take a peek at this next one, and we're gonna call it quit for the day. But yeah, $18.50 an hour is pretty good, especially for to be remote. And I always tell you guys, if you're going to be a remote site, you need a designated room where nobody's interfering with you, and put a sign say, hey, I'm at work at this time. And if you have it, go ahead and get you a PC. Get you a PC from Amazon. You can get like a Windows 10 refurbished PC, $250 to $300. Use that PC for your work only. Don't use it for nothing else. And man, and you will be good. It'll be nice. And you probably gonna enjoy being at the house and not having to be in front of all of the audience. So, but yeah, take a look at these jobs and make sure you type your area in so you can find these jobs right there locally, wherever you live. You know what I want y'all to do? Let me get that like, and let me get you to subscribe to this channel. Take care. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the training. But don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And leave some comments just to let me know what you thought of the video and what I could do better. Guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next training.